White's objective here is to kill black. This problem is about avoiding the wrong answers, because there are 2 correct answers and a couple wrong answers. And they all seem quite promising and intuitive, so that's why you need to calculate very carefully. So obviously there's kind of a weakness in black's shape here. There's a potential cutting point here, and of course white can bend here. The key moves seems to be this bend, this clamp, and just playing here. But as we'll see, the 2-1 point right here is also a good move. So let's just try these moves and see what happens. So bending here, right, this seems like a nice sequence. The problem is that now white has 5 and 6. White will need both of these points. Otherwise, this will be a ko. And that's not what we want to see, right? This is going to be a ko. Black wins. It's going to look like this. So white will want to avoid the ko. So that's actually why number 1 fails. And this also seems very tempting. But again, black can play this move instead of standing down here. If it stands down here, it's going to die. But black's very good move is to play here. It's very resilient. White will want to try this, and now black can try to make this eye on the 1-1 point. And white will have to destroy it through this ko. So once again, we have a ko. And that's why number 1 here, it's a very tempting move, but it doesn't work. But this works. This is threatening to cut black off. If black connects here, which is a very bad move, then white can just do whatever, right, to kill black very easily. So black's response, number 1, is this. White will play this. And is this a seki or mutual life? No, because black eventually will have to fill in this point right here. So this is a fake mutual life shape, which means black is dead. Similarly, if black plays here, now what does white do? White will just reduce black's eye space and come in here at the 2-1 point. And once again, is this a seki or mutual life? No, because eventually black will have to fill in this liberty, this mutual liberty, when all of these stones are under Atari on the right side. So that's why this is a fake mutual life pattern. So white can succeed after number 1. And another good move in this circumstance is right here. Black cannot afford to allow white to just connect back at number 3. So we'll have to cut off number 1. But now, this is going to be a very glaring weakness for black, because white can Atari at number 5, and now black is already dead after number 5. So, and if black connects here, black is still dead. Overall, it's really just about avoiding the wrong moves and finding the correct moves. And also, you need to know how to distinguish between a real mutual life pattern and a fake mutual life pattern. So we saw a couple of fake mutual life patterns. Just have to see whether this mutual liberty will have to be filled in once black is under Atari, or if black will ever be under Atari. And in this case, yes. And when black is under Atari, it will have to fill in. If black's shape is all connected, white cannot play an Atari on the outside, and that's why it's a mutual life shape. But here it's not. So if you have any questions about mutual life or anything, let me know. Good luck, and thank you for watching.